Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Technique Thursday. Let me tell you, I got so excited about the new collection. I just remembered, about 10 minutes ago, I needed a video for today. So I'm shooting this the night before. So our new collection is called I Am. And what some of us are doing in the group is going along with the Finding I Am study by Lisa Turquist that is starting, I believe, April 30th. So there's videos and whatnot. And I had wanted to design a collection for I Am for a long time, and it sort of just happened. And then I found out about the study, so it went really well together. So I'll just quickly show you some of the elements. This is from the journal. So there is all the I Am statements and some words. This is a freebie that came with the journal. And then these are just a few pages from the journal. There's the cover. Just need to fold it. And isn't that pretty? I love this. And then this is how I'm going to do mine. So this is one side of the PDF, so 2 days. So this is going to be my title page. And then I'm going to answer the questions from the study right in my journal. So if I cut it like this, I had to kind of finagle it a bit. So I go, there's day 1 and day 2, and now I'm on to day 3. So when I cut this, if I do it kind of like day 1 and day 3, and then 2 and 4, when I cut them, they'll be back to back in the right order. We hope. I haven't cut it yet, but that's the journal. There's 14 days in the journal. Lots of fun. Now, all the fun coordinating elements, I will show you all of those as soon as I change my camera battery. Be right back. All right, we're back and we have a fresh battery, so life is good right now. So, this is the collection. I just named them all kinds of different things. I am free, all the girls. I am artful, lots of splashes and dashes. And you'll notice that these I printed on clear sticker paper. I didn't do like a border around them, like a cut border, because there's so many of like these splashes and dashes. I wanted everybody to just kind of free cut them and see what you wanted to do. And this is I Am Precious. That's fun. So lots of coordinating goodies. Some paint brushes to highlight. I need to keep these out because I need to use those on my page. There's I Am Saved, some journal cards. Artsy, more elements. Some are with splashes. Some are just plain elements like I Am Beautiful. We have some washi strips. We have some tags and arrows. These are the only things I did on the cardstock, along with the journaling cards are the only ones I did cardstock. Otherwise, I did all of mine on a clear sticker paper. So then I Am Me had 3 little doodads to it, all different colors of splashes, and then Joyful is just splashes. So I'm going to keep that one out too. So let me just put the rest of this collection away. So I wanted to do a title page for all of the I Am statements. So this is I Am the Bread of Life. So let's get started. What I did is I print everything. I thought, I'm not even going to kid myself and print one. I printed 2 copies. So I've already cut out the elements that I want to use on my page, so I have them right here. And I'm not going to do any paint or anything. I'm just simply going to play with the elements today. So let's get some of this down, and then I'm going to play. So what I want to do is sort of layer all the elements here, and since they're all clear and we could see right through them, I thought I think I'll start right at the bottom here. Not sure how this is all going to pan out, so we'll see. And then I Am Blessed. I was kind of trying to plan this in my head, how I wanted to layer all the elements. And let's see, what else is new and exciting on the farm? Nothing really is going on. We're trying to decide if we're going to side the old farmhouse, and our estimates came back. One estimate, people, $52,000. Are you kidding me? For an old farmhouse? No way. So we're decided we're going to paint our stucco. Yeah, fun, right? So Hubs and I are going to paint that. And so we were out today, and sorry, my fingers are all dirty because I was out helping him. We were caulking the cracks in the stucco so we can repaint it. So much fun. And I also did my journaling on clear sticker paper. So I'm just going to put that here. And this is a really quick page, but I love clear elements because you can like have so much fun with them and layer them and see through them. And I wanted this really to be like an ethereal kind of collection, very light and yet very mixed media. I really do believe, and I'm gonna say it, I think that this is one of my favorite collections that I have ever designed. I honestly could not stop designing this. I'd talk to Margaret at night and I'm like, okay, come on, what else do we need? What else do we need? I want to make something else. I just had so much fun with it. It felt very freeing, and the mixed media, and I wasn't bound by bounding boxes and lines. I could just create, and whatever came out, came out. I really had just a really good time. And then, let's see, I think I want to cut this in a piece. I want just a little piece for the top. So are you guys enjoying the collection? Today in the group, we're taking a little survey. I'm taking a poll about what you guys think of doing these studies, because I don't always want to make everybody buy a book. That's not my intent. This one just sort of happened. The Lent one, I did specifically do the study to match that. Yes, I did. But this one, I just wanted to, I don't know, it just sort of happened, like I said. So that's all good. But I also, don't want everybody to have to buy a book every month either. So I thought, what if we did, maybe some free ones, or we just could, just relax and, I don't know, and maybe just change it up. Thank you all for jumping in the group and giving your opinions on what we should do, because I think one way, and I like Janet, if you're watching this, Janet, thank you for your long explanation. That really, really helped. It helps make our decisions, like what should we do, because you guys are the customers and we want to make sure that all of you are happy, right? That's very, very important to us. So where are we going to put these little doodads? I don't know where to put these. Maybe I'll just put it here. I guess because, it's mixed media, we can just layer. And I hope you guys love this mixed media. I'm over the moon about it, actually. I'm really kind of crazy with this stuff, but I really, really like it. I don't know. We haven't done a collection like this before, so please do, in the comments below, tell me what you think. Tell me what you think is good or bad, or what you want to see more of. I think we need some of this, maybe turquoise. So that's why I like these clear sticker paper. Then you can cut freehand, and you don't have to get all fussy. I don't have to get out the scan and cut. Can just kind of do what you want. And then too, you can cut it into different pieces, right? You don't have to stick with the little pieces that are there. I think I'm going to cut this one like this, and I just want a little bit of this blue up in here. That might even be too much. Yeah, it's too much. We'll cut it off like that, and then I'll try to fight with those little pieces. So yes, so we're going to be painting some stucco. Yesterday, my neighbor brought me a load of rock. Oh my gosh, a full gravel truck of rock for our front yard, because it doesn't rain here very much, And we need, when it does, we get lots of mud, and the grass doesn't grow really well here because it's so dry. It almost feels like I live by Lynn Banky out in Arizona. But so we got some rocks. So hubby and I were lifting rock yesterday. Oh my gosh, he had the tractor and I had the rake. How is that any fun? I tell you, ladies. So there's that. And then I think, should we use an orange one or a blue one? I'm not really sure. I'm thinking maybe I'll use this one here. And also with this collection, what I like to do is I had fun just putting little random things on the pages so that we would have lots of fun little elements to play with. So let's just cut this out. And these are quick to cut out, and I like that too. Not that I don't love my hank. I love my hank. But those of us, you know, some of you don't have a hank, so that we can get a break here and just all fussy cut together. And I also, like Margaret had mentioned too, that when you cut out your elements as you need them, they all stay on the sheet, and then I don't have a huge mess on my desk. I just have a, you know, whole pile of elements sitting on my desk. So we did not cut that well at all, but that's okay. I'm a little bit shaky today and really, really sore after all that rock shoveling last night. Oh my word. So Jesus says, I am the bread of life. No one who comes to me will ever be hungry, and no one who believes in me will be thirsty again. Now, what an amazing statement. And I'm only on day 3, but my journaling says if I don't fully trust God, I can't be fully satisfied by Him. We can fulfill our physical needs, but our spiritual needs can only be quenched when we tell Jesus we are thirsty for His word and hungry for a relationship with Him. And I just think that is so true. Okay, I'm not sure how this is going to work. I think I'll just do this because I just want to make sure I highlight that I am the bread of life. There we go. So there is our page. Lots of fun today. Thank you all so much for joining me. And it was a quick one today, but I just wanted to jump in and say hi, show you the new collection, talk about how I'm going to do this journal. And now I'm going to cut up my sheets, see if I did them right. And I will see all you ladies in Praise and Pray. Thanks for joining me. Everyone have a wonderful day. God bless.